Now that you've purchased or are interested in a Mercedes-Benz EQ vehicle, you're probably keen to learn about new features that come with one of the most technologically advanced vehicles on the market. Let's walk through some of the functions that you can control from MBUX, the multimedia interface at the heart of every new generation Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Using your central touchpad, the controller on the steering wheel, or the central touchscreen, select the EQ icon from the home screen menu. Modern-day electric-powered vehicles can travel 400 kilometres comfortably in between charges. However, when the time comes to recharge, you can locate a charging point in your vicinity, near to your destination or somewhere along the way, and add this to your route. The distances are listed, and you can choose the most economical route to optimise the battery range. It's also possible to view an estimate of your current driving range, which takes into account the speed and expected economy of all routes from your current location. You can also program the vehicle with your expected departure time from home each day, ensuring charging operations are complete, and set a time for the vehicle to begin warming or cooling the interior before you enter the cabin. These functions can also be managed on a connected device using the Mercedes-Me Connect app. In the EQ submenu, you can set a maximum charge. This is useful for daily commuting when full range isn't required, and helps to keep the battery pack in its optimal operating state. Next is the energy flow screen, which demonstrates the movement of energy around the vehicle. For an all-electric vehicle such as this one, we can see energy flowing from the underfloor battery pack to the two electric motors at either end of the vehicle for acceleration, and back again under braking. On the customisable instrument screen in front of the driver, your view includes a range indicator. It can also be configured to display a circular gauge, delivering immediate feedback on energy flows during acceleration or braking. Toggle to the consumption submenu to see a graphical representation of your electricity consumption and recuperation, from which you can learn how to achieve a more efficient driving style. And remember, always keep your eyes on the road ahead when you're driving. The Mercedes-Me Connect app also puts key EQ-specific data and functions in the palm of your hand. You can check the battery's charge level, check charging status and speed, find nearby charge stations, and preset navigation routes. Other functions include the ability to remotely lock or unlock the vehicle, start the engine, and view service reminders and book appointments. Using the MBUX multimedia interface in the vehicle and the Mercedes-Me Connect app on a connected device enables you to get the most from your Mercedes-Benz EQ vehicle.